Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. How are you today? Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. I hope you all are always healthy. You are always in a good condition, and you are always blessed every day. So, are you excited to start our meeting today? Good. Sounds good. So class, before we start, let's say basmalah first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. Now I'll go to check your attendance list first. Please raise your hand when I say or when I call your name, okay? Alif, present. Anita, present. Chika, present. Ryu, present. Good. Yasmin, present. Okay, thank you for your response. Now we are going to talk about my obligations and rights as a student and as a kid at home. So, is any one of you could explain what is obligation and rights? Yeah, that's correct. Obligation means kewajiban and rights means hak. But can you explain more about what is kewajiban or obligation and what is rights or hak? Anyone knows? Good, great. So let me explain it clearly more. Obligation is an action, okay, carried out with a sense of responsibility. When you are saying obligation, means that you have to do it and you have to take any responsible of that act. For example, what is the obligation or kewajiban for a student? Obligation or kewajiban for student is good, study hard. Then, what else? Get a good teacher. Good job. That's a great answer. It's not your obligation, honey, but it's your rights to get a good teacher, to giving you a good material also. Thank you for your answer. Okay, I will tell you what is obligation or the point of obligation. Obligation for students is study hard, okay, do the homework, okay, then collect the task on time, and do your obligate in school, such as clean the school, picket, right? You swipe the dust every day when you are on duty for picket. Then you collect your book that you borrow from library. That's your obligation. So, who's gonna explain about rights or hak? What is rights or hak? Anyone knows? Yes, hak or rights as a student is get a good teacher to give you a great material. Good. So, I'll explain about rights. Rights are something that must be obtained by every individual and has been owned it since you are in the womb. So, jadi saya jelaskan sedikit ya menggunakan bahasa Indonesia. Rights atau hak ini adalah sesuatu yang harus kamu dapatkan di dalam kehidupan kamu, setiap orang atau masing-masing orang. Dan hak ini sudah kamu terima saat kamu sudah di dalam kandungan ibu kalian masing-masing. Okay? What is the example of rights that start or have been owned since you're in your mom womb, sorry. Apa hak yang sudah kalian dapatkan sejak kalian di dalam kandungan? Ada yang tahu? Okay, let me explain. When you are in your mom womb atau di dalam kandungan ibu kalian, you are already get your rights. For example, get a food. Your mom eat well, rest well when she's pregnant you. What is your hak or what is your right? Your right is get a nutrition from the food that your mom ate. Okay? Then, what is another rights? Where your mom sleep well or rest well, you get a nutrition from your mom also, and you get the times for your embryo to grown up being a baby. Did you get my point? Alhamdulillah, thank you. So, what is the rights when you are a kid? From when you were born, your rights is get an ASI from your mom. Get sleep, get dress, get food. What else? Yes, get on holiday when you are a kid. Good, that's nice answer. What else? Okay, great, good job. Now, I want you to try to make a dialogue about obligation and rights at home. Okay, at home, yeah. So this is a homework. So you make a dialogue about obligation and rights at home as a kid. Okay, I know you must be understand, and I know you are already know what is the rights and obligation as a kid at home. I'll give you an example. One obligation. First, helping your mom to clean your room. That's your obligation with a high responsibility for your life. Second, what is rights as a kid? Rights as a kid at home. Get a place for sleep, which is your bedroom. Okay, two of them I already explained. So I want you to make more. What is obligation and rights? But please make it in a dialogue. Then this task will collect tomorrow. So don't forget to practice the dialogue. Understand? Alhamdulillah. For your information, this task, you will do it with your parents. So you can ask them, what is your rights? What is your obligation at home as a kid? Do you understand, guys, about the homework? Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. So this is the end of the meeting. I hope you can understand what is material that I already gave to you. And I hope you can collect and don't forget your homework. Tomorrow I'll see it and give it a score. Thank you for your attention today. I hope you are always healthy and have fun for the homework. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.